Understanding String Things Out, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, string things out. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but it's really useful in everyday English conversations. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples together. Stay tuned to master this phrase. String things out is a phrase that means to extend something or make something last longer than necessary. It's often used in situations where something could be completed or resolved quicker, but for various reasons, it's being drawn out. This can be due to procrastination, the complexity of the task, or even strategic reasons. When using string things out, it's important to understand the context. It can be used in both negative and positive contexts, depending on the situation. Negative context. It might indicate frustration or criticism. For example, he's just stringing things out to avoid dealing with the problem. Positive context. It might suggest a strategic delay or extending an enjoyable moment. For example, let's string things out a bit longer. We don't get to see each other often. To help you better understand, let's look at some sentences. 1. Negative. The negotiations were unnecessarily strung out because neither side would compromise. 2. Positive. We decided to string the vacation out for a few more days since we were having such a great time. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, string things out. We hope this video helps you understand how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, understanding the context is key to using it correctly. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning, and don't forget to practice using string things out in your own sentences.